Well, it's a good achievement for me. I set a goal and I think I achieved it. I'm really proud of myself. I set 20 to 25 goal. I get 20, so I'm really grateful.
And it didn't went Cavaliers' way to tonight. The team take it pretty hard. Tell us about that.
Well, we fight. We come out here and we decide this is the last game for the season and we'll fight. But unfortunately, we didn't get the win. We just have to come again. That's all.
What is for Collin?
Well, let's see. I get a call to Europe, but let's see. I'm really confident in that. Let's see.
But you want to go overseas and play some solid. Tell us about that.
Yeah, that's my dream, to play in Europe, and I always want to play the English Premier League. I always want to try the English Premier League. I will continue to fight, I continue to push forward, I'll continue to work hard to reach that level.
Hopefully this year?
Yeah. I will try. Yeah, man. As you guys see, I out there and I fight for this. I work really hard. I train 2 times a day, every day, and I push every time in training to reach this goal this season. So I will continue to push forward.
There's a lot of eyes on you know outside the country.
Yeah. But let's see for the rest of the season. Yeah.